Pakataray talaga. Si Wawo. Where's Wawo? Ayun, si Wawo.
Bless kay Wawo.
Bless.
Si Wawo, bless mo kay Wawo. Bakit? May S. Wawo will sit here.
As of now, isa pa lang pang available namin na high chair. Pag mamaya may available, dadali na lang po namin sila.
Okay. Teo. Later na tong ice cream ha. Later na, okay? Teo. Teo, konti lang ha, okay? Yung you can consume lang. O, get na. You get what you want. Maybe here. This one. And then, what here? Inaalo ka. Sa vlog na mami. Wow, it's Wawa's food. Yummy? Wawa. Naida. So hard. Did you say thank you, Tito Tita Ella and Tita Luz? Wow. Nakadali din tong isa, oh. Oh, sa'yo.
Did you say thank you?
Yeah.
You went shopping? Wait, we need to take a photo first. Wait. Okay, wait. We're gonna wait for...
Daming kinain. Kape-kape na.
Ayan, kapunta sila eh.
This is the aftermath. Ito yung kaya nung number 2. Ayan. Cumpleaños feliz.
Video them, dude.
Yes. Yes. Ay. Ay, Tayo! Tayo!
Bye. Andres.
Andres! Di kita si Andres.
Tayo. Tayo, usap ako.
Tayo, usog.
Yan ah.
Yan na. Tayo ako sa yan.
Give it to Yana, girl. Give it to Yana. Give Yana.
Yana, Yana.
Yana. Give it to Yana.
What?
For Mateo. Give it to Mateo. What do you say to Andres?
Thank you.
What do you say to Andres?
Thank you po.
Say thank you, Andres.
Thank you po.
This is for Caleb. You open it at home.
Sa home na lang ha.
Sa yung dalawa ni Pipi.
Oh, wow, thank you, te. Gupit pogi. Manipis lang naman yung... Wow! Tayo, you went there also nung baby ka. Kaso umiyak ka naman. Ngayon, baby boy ka pa ba? O big boy ka na? Tayo. Ha. Ayan, Lily! Ay, Lily! Ay, hey! Hi! Ay, Dia!
Gusto nagpapaan.
Ay, Dia po! Oh my God!
Uy!
Uy! Yan na!
Come here.
Smile! Tayo, dali, smile!
Yana.
Ako, tungo.